Thank you for tuning in to another episode of Worldwide Wednesdays. It is March 4th. So, guys, what did we do this week?
What didn't we do this week, really? I mean, biggest thing, I think, obviously, we got the sign up. You know, we've got worldwide manuals on the front of our building in that beautiful black and orange.
Yeah.
Crazy.
When I was going out for a ripper before, it was really cool to see that as I drove past. Seeing our name on that finally, because I was so used to seeing Hometown Auto all the time. Like, yeah, this is our building, but it's not really us yet. But like now it's us. Yeah, I know it's just pieces of acrylic, but it means a lot.
The sign we put up in there is thick. The black is true, and it just is. I'm sad I can't see it right now.
Yeah,
I really want to see it. But it's a beautiful sign, and it just enhances the look of the building tenfold.
And we can move into our next point. Like those cars that we have in the showroom and garage, we're selling those. I mean, ideally, we'd like to keep the Cosworth for a little while just to make it to Radwood.
Yeah.
But yeah, no, those are up for sale. Those are on our websites.
There's always more to come on the YouTube channel.
Yeah, absolutely.
As long as we have the cars, we're going to be making more content with them.
Lots of videos planned for Cosworth, for the STI, for the Miata. Got lots of things planned for the future.
So what else?
I drove my car around and it's still doing that idle thing, and it made me sad.
It really did make you sad. You came back and you were sad.
We were thinking something worse happened. I don't know.
I was like going for a very enjoyable drive around Apple Lake, and I found some cool roads over there, which was cool. And then I went to stop the car and I went, and I was like, I just spent money fixing this. Why did this happen? Yeah, I was a sad boy today.
When you ripped by,
Yeah,
I was like, Kyle, like there he is, and then Kyle's like,
I looked and
me.
he was gone.
Yeah, he was gone. But there was a cop literally.
Oh,
I saw that, and then I hit the brakes.
right there.
Yeah. He was
I was going literally like 35.
Honestly, like we're kind of in a dull period because the weather's still not nice where we can shoot the outside videos that we need to shoot. But I still don't have the dealer plate. Just spent a little over an hour and 10 minutes waiting at the DMV, getting the dealer plates. Oh yeah, let's go! I'm excited.
And we have no lifts.
So-
Well, because that's huge. Because I want to take like good listing photos for the cars and get underneath them, like bring a trailer style photos, and we can't do that. Once that other lift is gone, that could be a photo booth.
I think it should be.
We put some white curtains down,
Yeah.
get those LED lights, and get a beautiful photo
That could
booth.
easily be a multi-use space.
Detailing zone, where we could clay bar some cars, really get them looking proper instead of having to clean them outside.
Yeah, so I guess next time we can get some of the grind work out of the way, like painting the trim. We'll start it out in the showroom, see if we can get where we want with it. We could probably, if we have nothing else to do, get it all done in one day.
Once we have our lifts up and running, I got a lot of work to do on that Miata. The idle is all messed up, so I'm going to try to mess around with that. Hopefully I don't have to take it to somebody else and live in shame. I want to do a bunch of fluid changes, flush the radiator, flush the clutch fluid. My brakes are shot, so maybe that's what was leaking. Wasn't fun when I was trying to stop the car, and the car was like, nah. And then, obviously an oil change. I just, a full tune-up on that. I got to hang the exhaust properly because it's rattling a little bit. I just ordered a fender, so the car will actually be an entire car for the first time in who knows when, probably years.
That's going to be exciting.
Yeah, that'll be
That's
cool.
gonna be
Yeah, no, I was just going to say, check out that Dream Garage when it's ready. I think that's going to be really cool because, like you were saying, we'll have all the cars that we want, some reasons why, a little tidbits on the history of these cars, why we want them, and
Quirks and features.
But it also gives people who come to our website and maybe they don't have a plan to import a car, but let's say they go to the Dream Garage and be like, wow, I remember that from when I was, 19 and I really, really liked that car but couldn't afford it. Mm-hmm. Now I can, and I see it on their Dream Garage, it got the wheels turning.
And they'll know that we already have our sights set on it.
yeah, like we're going to take the difficulty out of importing a car.
And remember to like the video and comment if you want to tell us anything that you're thinking about it. Subscribe if you haven't already.
We love you.
We do.
So I'll do the exit-tro. What's the intro, exit-tro?
Wait, can you say that again?
Exit truck.
For the
Intro.
podcast.
What's the intro, exit-tro? Exit-tro?
Exit truck.
Exit trail.
Okay.
Exit truck. What's the opposite of in? There you go.
Thank you for tuning in to another episode of Worldwide Wednesdays. Hopefully we have more content for you next week. We have lots planned, but we are waiting on a lot of things. So tune in next week and see if we get those things done.